Hi everybody, this is Xiang. Today I will tell you another part in the chapter 5 of the story of a seagull and the cat who taught her to fly. Let's start. The colonel's age was a bit of mystery. Some said he was as old as the restaurant he's called home. Others maintained that he was even older, but his age didn't matter because everyone remembered that as a youth he'd been known as the nocturnal colonel and that he possessed a strange talent for giving advice to cats who had problems. Although the colonel never actually solved any conflict, his counsel alone was comforting, both for his age and for his talents. The colonel was the lead authority among the podcasts. Secretariat came back at a trot. "Follow me. Il Colonel's gonna see you, not at the norm," he mouthed. Zebra followed him, threading through table and chair legs. They headed toward the door of the white cellar. They bounded down the steps of the narrow stairway, and at the bottom found the colonel, tail like a black hole, checking the course of some bottle of champagne. "Poca misera, the rats have chewed the course of the best champagne in the house. Dobra, caro amico." The colonel greeted his dear friend, just like Secretariat. The colonel liked to show off a little in Italian himself. "Please forgive me for bothering you just when you're busy at work, but I have a serious problem and I need your advice," Zebra apologized. "I'm at your service, caro amico." Secretariat serve all mio amico. Here a little of that lasagna on tonno they gave us this morning, ordered the colonel. "But it's gone. I didn't get so much as a sniff," Secretariat complained. Zebra thanked him, but said he wasn't hungry anyway. Quickly, he told the colonel about the dramatical arrival of the girl, her pitiful condition, and the promises he'd been obliged to make to her. The old cat listened in silence, then moved over the matter as he swept his long whiskers. Finally, he yelled, "Poca misera, we must help that poor seagull get in shape to fly again." That's the end of my story today. Thank you for listening. See you next time. Bye bye.